The iPhone 15 is tipped to bring some big changes in terms of design and features, and we're tracking all the rumors and leaks for the new iPhones. For example, it looks as though Apple will finally embrace USB-C charging and ditch the Lightning port. We could also see the iPhone 15 feature a more rounded design so that it's more comfortable to hold one of Apple's new phones. Rumored features also suggest that Apple plans to keep a very large divide between iPhone 15's iPhone 15 Pro. The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are both expected to feature a powerful new 3nm 17 Bionic chip and a titanium-sided design, with the Pro Max possibly boasting a new periscope zoom lens on top of that. It's quite easy to make a prediction about the release date of the iPhone 15 based on past patterns. Typically, Apple releases its flagship phones in September, with the announcement coming about 10 days before the release date. If Apple follows the same pattern as before, we can expect the iPhone 15 to be announced on September 6 and released on September 15. However, there are reports that trial production for the iPhone 15 started a month earlier than usual, which could suggest an earlier release date, but this is not confirmed. Display production for the iPhone 15 is set to begin earlier than normal, with a focus on avoiding stock shortages rather than an early release. Until we hear otherwise, it's safe to assume that the iPhone 15 will be unveiled in September 2023. When the iPhone 14 was released, there were rumors of a 15% price increase, but this turned out to be untrue in the United States, where the only change was the elimination of the cheapest mini model. The prices for the iPhone 14 in the US range from $799 for the 128GB entry-level model to $1,599 for the 1TB iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's likely that the prices for the iPhone 15 will be similar, but there may be a price increase in the US this time around, with rumors of a $100 price hike for the iPhone 15 Pro. This increase could be due to new and advanced features in the next-gen iPhone. It's unclear if this price hike will apply to other regions. On the other hand, there are also rumors that the cost of building an iPhone 15 could increase by at least 12% from last year, which could result in a retail price increase for consumers. However, there are also suggestions that Apple may lower the price of the iPhone 15 in response to soft sales of the iPhone 14 Plus, in an effort to make its lower-cost models more attractive to shoppers looking for value. Ultimately, it's difficult to predict what the pricing for the iPhone 15 will be, but some form of price adjustment seems likely. Apple has simplified its iPhone lineup by discontinuing the iPhone mini and introducing the iPhone 14 Plus in 2022. It's unlikely that we will see a return of the iPhone mini for the iPhone 15 lineup. Instead, we can expect 4 models: the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. The naming conventions used in a recent TrendForce report suggest that these models are likely to be named as such. However, there may be significant differences between the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro models this year. Rumors suggest that only the Pro models will feature the new A17 Bionic chip and titanium design, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to have a periscope zoom camera. This could suggest that Apple may be focusing more on the Pro models and neglecting the regular iPhone 15. There were rumors of an iPhone 15 Ultra model, but it's now expected to launch alongside the iPhone 16 Pro Max in 2024. For now, we should focus on the upcoming iPhone 15 lineup and what each model will offer. Initially, there were rumors that 2 iPhone 15 models would feature solid-state buttons, which would provide a tactile button feel via haptics, while having fewer moving parts exposed to external elements. However, analysts Ming-Ching Kuo and Jeff Pu have since changed their tune and claimed that Apple won't be offering solid-state buttons on the iPhone 15 Pro due to the complexity of the feature. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has also echoed these claims, citing manufacturing complexity, higher associated costs, and software integration issues. A report from Apple's production partner, Cirrus Logic, also suggests that it won't be producing a new high-performance mixed-signal HPMS chip for a major company, which was rumored to be the driver for the haptic solid-state buttons. A possible increase in price is a big worry for the Pro and Pro Max, and we would like to hear more firm rumors about improvements to the cameras, but considering we're several months away from the iPhone 15's release date at this point, there's plenty of time for more exciting speculation to emerge. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.